Hemifacial spasm is a nervous system disorder in which the muscles of one side of the face twitch involuntarily. As you can see in this patient that her left side of facial muscles are constantly involuntarily twitching. This can, if not treated, lead to the complete closure of the eye and also can affect mentally, psychologically and even in social settings of the patient. The initial symptoms of the hemifacial spasm can range from frequent eyelid blinking leading to closure of the complete eye and redness and irritation of the eye, dry eyes and even involuntary constant muscle twitching. The causes of hemifacial spasm can vary from being a vascular compression, facial nerve compression by a mass, brainstem lesions such as stroke or multiple sclerosis, and it could be secondary to trauma or Bell's palsy. The treatment options include microvascular decompression, which relieves pressure on the facial nerve, injections of the botulinum toxin into the affected area, or drug therapy. The surgical treatment has potential side effects, whereas the drug therapy is not much effective. Hence, the botulinum toxin injections in the affected muscles work well and give relief with almost no side effects. It is an in-office procedure and can be done in 30 minutes. Here, as we can see, there are different marking points for benign essential blepharospasm and for hemifacial spasm, which is a more complex disease. Now, in benign essential blepharospasm, as we can see that it is always bilateral involvement and leading to constant eyelid muscle twitching. The B stands for 4 units of Botox and in the upper part of the eyelid and or over the forehead, total 4 units at each of these points is given, whereas in the lower part of the eyelid or the lower eyelid, 2 units each is given. In hemifacial spasm, muscles of the half side of the face are involved and hence more points of Botox injection or botulinum toxin injection are needed. As we can see here that the forehead point, that is the glabellar point, the eyelid muscle points, even the nasolabial fold, the corner of the mouth, the chin and the mid part of the cheek are injected with 2 units of Botox or the botulinum toxin. Let's see the demonstration on the patient with the injection of the botulinum toxin. As you can see in this, there is immediate relief of some of the symptoms of constant muscle twitching of eye muscles as well as the nasolabial twitching and even the corner of the mouth. Thus, the botulinum toxin injections in benign essential blepharospasm and hemifacial spasms proves to be safe and effective for relieving the patient of the discomfort and providing a better quality of life.